Hey everyone, and welcome back to our English listening practice series. Today, we're going to listen to a conversation between two co-workers, David and Aaron, as they decide to take a break and visit a new cafe. Pay close attention to what they order. Remember to listen for the answer to this question. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Let us know your answer in the comments below. Okay, let's begin. I'm so tired after a long day. I really need a break.
Me too. Hey, how about we check out that new cafe near the office? It just opened last month.
Great idea. I've heard good things about it.
Wow, this place is really nice. It feels so relaxing.
It does. Let's look at the menu. They have a lot of options. Hot and iced coffee, tea, lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos.
And look at the food. Cakes, sandwiches, cookies, muffins. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino again?
A latte has more milk, while a cappuccino has more foam on top.
Right. What are you thinking of getting?
I like my coffee strong and simple. I'll have a hot black coffee, no milk or sugar.
It's pretty warm today, so I think I'll get an iced latte with a little sugar. And that piece of cake looks delicious.
I'm in the mood for something savory. I'll get a sandwich. Hi, can we get a hot black coffee, an iced latte with a little sugar, a slice of that cake, and a sandwich, please?
The total is $12.50.
Okay, here you go. Thank you. This coffee is perfect. It's strong and hot, just how I like it.
My iced latte is excellent. It's cold, smooth, and just a little sweet. And this cake is so soft and delicious.
This sandwich is great too. The bread is soft and the vegetables are fresh.
This cafe is a great find. The atmosphere, the service, the prices are all reasonable.
I agree. It's the perfect spot for a break. We should come back soon and try the cappuccino and maybe a muffin.
Definitely.
Great job listening. Did you catch the answer to our question? What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Write your answer in the comments section. We love reading your responses. If you enjoyed this listening exercise, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you improve your English. Thanks for watching and see you next time.